When it comes to buying a car, we all want to feel like we're making a smart investment. But what if I told you some cars on the market are nothing short of financial disasters? Cars that look great on paper, but quickly turn into regrets on wheels. In this video, we've got the 8 worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. And trust me, some of these might shock you. From engines that fail prematurely to repair bills that rival a down payment on a new car, these vehicles are riddled with problems. And here's the kicker. The last car on this list is so unreliable, it's practically guaranteed to cost you thousands in repairs before it hits 50,000 miles. Stick with me to the end, because this isn't just a list, it's a buyer's guide to what not to buy. Miss this, and you could be driving straight into a financial nightmare that you'll regret for years. Number 8. The Chevrolet Blazer. The Chevy Blazer seems appealing with its bold design and tech features, but it falls short. Priced steeply at $44,000, it struggles with engine stalling, electrical issues, and poor reliability, especially in 2020 to 2021 models. Fuel efficiency is underwhelming at 20 miles per gallon, and rapid depreciation adds to its costs. Owners also face high insurance premiums, expensive repairs, and subpar crash test results. With a rough driving experience and lagging competitors, the Blazer is a risky and costly SUV choice. Number 7. Lincoln Aviator, a luxury SUV that misses the mark in key areas. It starts at around $53,000, up to $88,000 for the black label, so you'd expect a lot for that price. But it doesn't live up to the promise of luxury. The biggest problem? Reliability. Many models, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2024 have had recalls for serious issues. These include problems with the electrical system and even faulty airbags. Fuel economy is another letdown. It's even lower than the Blazer. The Aviator gets just 18 miles per gallon combined, which is low for a luxury SUV. If you're spending this much money, you expect better efficiency. Also, many owners say it doesn't perform as well as competitors like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7. If you're shopping for a luxury SUV, this one's a hard pass. Number 6. The Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a stylish compact SUV priced at $53,000. Its luxury design and premium interior attract many buyers. Volvo's reputation for impressive safety ratings shines through. However, beneath the surface, troubling issues start to emerge. The 2024 model alone has faced 3 major recalls. Transmission problems and engine stalling are common complaints. Owners also report frequent failures in the infotainment system. Even driver assist features, which should boost confidence, often malfunction. Fuel efficiency is another sticking point at 22 miles per gallon combined. While average for its class, it feels underwhelming at this price. Maintenance costs are steep, and repair bills climb quickly. Though beautiful and safe, the XC60 struggles to deliver long-term value. Number 5. The Rivian R1T, an electric truck that grabs attention with its innovative design and off-road chops. Starting at $71,700, it's not cheap, and the top-tier Ascend Tri-Max model pushes the price to $101,700. For comparison, the Ford F-150 Lightning starts much lower. But if you match it to the R1T's features, like with the Lariat trim and extended range battery, the prices get closer. While innovative in design and off-road capabilities, it faces notable issues. Owners report software glitches, suspension problems, and delays in repairs. Its 314-mile range is decent, but Rivian's unique connector and limited charging stations make long trips challenging. In 2024, the R1T faced 4 recalls, including airbag and accelerator pedal issues. Charging interruptions and limited technician availability add to the frustration, making the R1T feel more like a gamble than a reliable choice. Number 4. The Polestar 2, an electric vehicle priced at $49,900. It combines sedan styling with hatchback practicality and offers a raised seating position like a crossover. While stylish, it has issues. Owners report frequent glitches in the Google-powered infotainment system. The EPA estimated range of 270 miles lags behind rivals like the Tesla Model 3. Safety is solid, but 2021 through 2022 models faced recalls for battery problems that could shut down the high-voltage system. The ride is stiff, falling short of luxury expectations. With limited service centers and high repair costs, the Polestar 2 struggles with reliability. Number 3. The Ford Bronc, a rugged SUV with a retro style. It's built for adventure, with off-road trims starting at $39,630 and the Raptor climbing to $90,035. Fans love its bold design and trail-ready features, but owning a Bronco comes with challenges. Reliability is one of its biggest issues. Recalls affect several models, including the 2021 to 2023 Bronco Sport. A cracked fuel injector could cause fires, raising serious safety concerns. Owners also report transmission problems and noisy engines. Some V6 engines show valve train issues, which reduce performance. The interior doesn't match the price. On the highway, the Bronco disappoints. Its ride is less comfortable, and the cabin is loud. Fuel economy is another downside, averaging just 17 miles per gallon. This makes daily driving expensive. By the way, if you think these issues sound bad, wait until you see the 8 least reliable cars that won't even last 40,000 miles. Some cars on that list redefine the word unreliable. Click the card above to see which ones to steer clear of. Number 2. The Buick Encore. The Buick Encore is often praised for its ride comfort, cabin space, and cargo-room. Its compact size makes it a good option for city driving. But despite the positives, the Encore falls short in many key areas. The 1.4-liter turbocharged engine feels underpowered. It struggles to accelerate, especially when merging or passing on highways. This makes driving less enjoyable. Owners also report issues with the transmission, air conditioning, and electrical system. These problems can lead to expensive repairs, quickly adding up over time. Fuel efficiency is decent at 25 miles per gallon, but it doesn't make up for the car's performance and reliability flaws. The Encore lacks modern safety features, and the infotainment system is clunky. The Buick Encore has had several recalls. One involves a powertrain issue, while others affect airbag and seatbelt safety. These safety concerns make it harder to recommend. While the Encore offers good initial affordability at around $26,000, the lack of performance makes it a tough choice for long-term ownership. Number 1. The Dodge Durango. This 3-row midsize SUV is known for its bold look and strong performance. The Dodge Durango starts at around $40,000, with the 2025 SRT Hellcat model expected to reach up to $115,000. It offers best-in-class towing capacity of 8,700 pounds and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. The ride is comfortable and quiet, and it provides generous cargo space. The Durango has some serious drawbacks. Its fuel economy is poor, especially with the V8 engine averaging just 15.5 miles per gallon. There are reports of engine failures and exhaust manifold issues, including a ticking noise. The Durango's safety scores are below average, and it lacks some key active safety features. And here's the kicker. The Mirage is being discontinued in the US market, and there will not be a 2025 model. While the Mirage's low price tag seems tempting, it's a budget car that quickly becomes costly in the long run. These are the worst cars that no one buys, according to Consumer Reports. While these vehicles may seem like good deals, they come with hidden costs and major issues. If you enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.